blocked YouTube videos. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be showing you the ways to block YouTube videos. In order to do this procedure, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first of all, open up a browser and log in into your YouTube account. After that, you need to locate the following video that is actually blocked. So then this is the particular one, let's say that. And then copy the URL from the top. After you've copied the URL, now open up a new tab. And on the web address bar, type in waternetwork.com/tool/blocked, and here you can just check for which country the following video is blocked. So for that, you need to go ahead and paste in the link that you've recently copied right in the center right over here, and just go ahead and tap on the following one. And after that, you'll be able to find that the following video is actually blocked on this particular countries. Once you've located that, now you need to open up a new tab and then connect yourself with a VPN. So in my case, I'm using a Touch VPN. You can use any one of it, and make sure to get connected to a country that has no restriction on the following video. So once you're connected to a VPN, then you can just go back to your YouTube and paste in a link or try opening it up, and you must be able to see the blocked video. So that's basically how you can watch blocked YouTube videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.